Hello everybody! Welcome to Class in the Cloud, Phonics with Teacher Simmy. Did you know there are 26 letters in the alphabet? Let's learn about one now. Here comes K. K is the 11th letter in the alphabet. K is a consonant. Let's learn the letter K sound. K goes k, k, k. Now you. This is a capital K. This is a lowercase k. Let's learn to write the capital K. K. Let's learn to write the lowercase k. K. Let's learn some K words. K is for kangaroo. K, k, kangaroo. K is for king. K, k, king. K is for kite. K, k, kite. Let's read a story. Can you find all the K words? The kangaroo and the king went to the beach to fly a kite. Now you. Let's recap what we learned. Say the words. K, k, kangaroo. K, k, king. K, k, kite. The kangaroo and the king went to the beach to fly a kite.
Well done, everyone. Good job. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. This is Class in the Cloud. I am Teacher Simmy. Goodbye.